Imagine a thriving empire unmatched in its glory, brought to its knee in a single day, not by sheer force but by a betrayal so devastating that it changed the course of history. The Battle of Talikota wasn't just a clash of armies, but it was the moment when trust crumbled and an empire fell. What led to this betrayal and how did it reshape South India forever? Stay with me as we unravel this crippling tale of loyalty, treachery, and loss. The Vijayanagara Empire was a beacon of culture, art, and prosperity in South India. It stood strong for over 300 years, resisting invasions and preserving the rich heritage of the region. But in 1565, everything changed. The empire faced a united front of the Deccan Sultanates, an alliance of Islamic rulers determined to crush Vijayanagara. The stage was all set for the Battle of Talikota, a clash that would decide the fate of South India. While Rama Raya, the regent of Vijayanagara, was confident in his army, a shocking betrayal changed the course of history. Gilhani Khan and Madhu Khan, who held significant positions in his rank, turned against Rama Raya. Historical accounts like those from Persian historian Farishta and Portuguese chronicles like Nunes documents how Muslim soldiers in Rama Raya's army defected mid-battle. This unexpected betrayal disrupted the chain of command and plunged the army into chaos. Rama Raya was captured and beheaded on the battlefield, and his severed head was paraded, a devastating blow that sealed Vijayanagara's fate. The victorious sultanates then unleashed destruction on the magnificent city of Hampi, looting its treasures, burning its temples, and reducing it to the rubble. The once thriving empire fell into the ruins, marking the end of an era. Archaeological evidences from Hampi today bears a testimony to the systematic destruction. Robert Sewell's A Forgotten Empire and Burton's Scenes, Vijayanagara highlights the cultural and political implications of this tragedy. The betrayal that led to the downfall of Vijayanagara finds echoes in the modern times, particularly in the ongoing issue of religious conversion. Like secular Vijayanagara Empire, present-day India is also surrounded by Islamic State of Pakistan and Bangladesh and has many Gilani and Madhu Khans waiting in the wings to join ranks of Ghazis to fulfill their 1400-year-old pan-Islamic dream to Islamize India, convert or eliminate Hindus to establish Sharia rule. What do you think about this connection between the betrayal of the past and issues of today? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe iNational Indy for more history stories.